Alright, let's go through this Pascal's triangle problem. So, given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. So, for example, num row is 5. We return the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. So the input of this problem, as you can see, is an integer greater or equal to 1, and the output is an array of integer array of num row of array of integer arrays. So what would match this problem is a for loop, a nested for loop, and then just try to build this for loop, and then each row is based on the result of the previous row. So we kind of get that relationship to do that. So we can simply go to the planning stage. So define generate num rows. So if num, so let's do this first. So if num rows is equal to 1, so what we will do is just return 1, and we don't have previous row, so this is kind of corner case. After that, we can for each row, so for each row I'm going to create a temp array called temp. So equal to 1, and just put 1 here, and then a for loop. So it's the sum of two numbers directly above them. So for loop 2. So calculate the sum of the two numbers above, and then append it to temp. After that is to append temp to output. So you can return this. So you can set output to be this. I'll just be this. So we can simply return output here. Okay, so and that's pretty much my plan, and I'm go ahead to write the code for it. So output initialize as 1, and if num rows is equal to 1, I'm going to return output. So for each row, so for I in range, so from the second row to the num row, so num rows plus 1. So create a temp. So temp equals to 1, and there's a for loop. So for j in range, so how many times I'm going to repeat? So for example, I'm calculating on the fourth row, so only two values need to be considered. So at each row I only need to go over I minus 2 times to calculate the numbers. So calculate the sum. So so the sum term sum equals to the numbers above. So it's output I minus, is it I minus, so I minus 1 j plus output I minus 1 j plus 1. So for example, like the I is 4. So I minus 1 is 3. No, so I minus 2. I minus 2 row. And then append the temp sum to append it to temp. So temp dot append temp sum. After that, output dot append temp. Oh, before that, I need to also put the 1 here. So temp dot append 1. So after that, I think I can return output now. So I can print generate, for example, 5. It should print yeah, 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. So that works, and I can simply play here. Yeah, that works. And so the time complexity of this method is O of n squared, because this is a nested for loop. And then space complexity will be O of n. Yeah, O of n. I have this output integer array. So yeah, that's it. And